Abatjhayeli beembhesi zakwaPutco bagcine bamukele umnikelo wokukhuthulela umrholo nge-6%. INUMSA kunye namanye amayuniyoni amahlanu weensebenzi nawo avumelene ngesibawo sango-2020 sabasebenzi.
Once the settlement has been signed, Putco will withdraw the application at the Labour Court to review the decision of the last Exemption Appeal Authority and will also jointly inform the South African Road Passenger Bargaining Council that the company and the unions have reached an agreement as full and final settlement of the 2020 Putco exemption application.
IPutco ithi iimbhesi zibuyele ngokupheleleyo kwemsebenzini. Ngeveke pheleleko iimbhesi ziziphazamisekile abatjhayeli nabazangenele ijima lokughala umsebenzi elingasisemthethweni.
As Putco, we can confirm that the 13-day-long illegal strike has finally come to an end. This comes after workers have accepted an offer from the employer and have committed to go to work.
Ukukhutshulwa kwemirholo lokhu kuzokuthoma ekuthomeni kwenyanga ezako kanti abasebenzi aba bazokunikela i-5,000 kanye kodwana izokubhadelwa ngeenqephe embili. Amabhonasi ka-2020 azokubhadelwa kibo bonke abasebenzi abakulungele ukufumana amabhonasi ngokuya kwesivumelwano sango-2020. Ikampani le ithi amabhonasi la azokubhadelwa iinyanga ezilitjhumi nabunane ukusukela ekuthomeni kwenyanga ezako.